What is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over AMC and GameStop stock and why I believe both of these stocks are about to break out. But before we do get into that, I want to give a huge shout out to my vlogging channel. You know, in my last video, I let you guys know why I was gone for 11 days. And that is because of my sales job. You know, I'm going to be traveling a lot over the next couple of months. I'm going to be moving to California, going to Utah, Austin, San Antonio, a bunch of different places. And obviously, when I'm traveling a lot, I'm not going to be able to post as consistently on this channel, but I will still be making vlogs on my vlogging channel. So for those of you guys that thought I was dead, no. I was making vlogs for my other channel. I did post today on my other channel called Mikey G's. So if you guys want to stay more up to date with my personal life and what I'm doing, you know, obviously outside of stocks, which is basically everything else, make sure to go subscribe to my other channel. If you guys, you know, want to go to the more personal side of me, the link is in the description down below. It's called Mikey G. And yeah, if you guys just want to see the other side of me that you probably don't know about, just go subscribe to that channel. But today AMC was up 4.5%. At one point in the day it was up over 8%. So in the morning it opened at $3.16 and we hit a high of $3.45 on 15 million shares traded. So it did follow the move that GameStop had yesterday. Obviously GameStop's move yesterday was pretty crazy. It was up 10% at the end of the day. We have all these bullish indicators here with price targets of over $35 over the next couple of months. So that is absolutely insane to see. The RSI is rising on the weekly. GameStop was in this descending channel for a while, you know, from $34.40 all the way to $24.50. We did bottom out there, and GameStop rose from $24.50 back to $26.50 where we're at right now. And AMC just looks extremely similar to GameStop. You know, it was falling, and we finally broke out of this descending channel. The same with GameStop. So I believe something huge could be happening here. We have all these bullish indicators for AMC, all these bullish indicators for GameStop. It's looking really good. The volume is still really low on GameStop. Only 7 million shares traded. And GameStop was a little red today, down 2%, but it did make a higher high at $27.76. That was the high for today, and then towards the end of the day it did come back down to $26.50. But while AMC is chilling at $3.31, the RSI is at 43. If we go back here to May, before AMC had a little squeeze to $13, the RSI was chilling at 43 as well, but the price was at $2.90. So do you guys see something here? You know, the RSI is nearly the same. It's actually a little bit lower, but the price is higher for AMC. It's called bullish RSI divergence, and it's as clear as day that it's happening on AMC. Ever since the dilution, people have been accumulating AMC. In my opinion, I believe that's what's been going on. The buying pressure has literally been accumulating ever since May. You know, it kind of died out. AMC died out when it was chilling at $2.50 before the little bip that we had back in May. After the bip to $13, I feel like the amount of people accumulating AMC has been insane. And I believe it's going to lead into one big gap up past $13, which was our high back here. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold. I just believe AMC and GameStop are going to repeat what they did back in 2021, except here in 2025, it could possibly be bigger. Another stock I'm looking at right now that's really freaking juicy is Tesla stock, down 6% today at $328. It hit a high of 488. From 488, we're back at 328. And I do believe this is a good level to buy at. The RSI is way oversold. And you know, I like to buy stocks when I see some clear bullish RSI divergence. The daily RSI is literally chilling at 30.19. So Tesla is extremely oversold right now. But something interesting, if we go back to October and November, obviously before the election, the price was chilling at around $240 for Tesla, even a low of like around 217 back here in mid-October, like October 23rd. And the RSI was chilling at 40. At 40. Now the price is literally $100 higher from 220 to 320, and the RSI is at rock bottom here at 30. So the RSI is lower than what it was when it was at 220, but the price is still at $328. That's some clean bullish RSI divergence. The freaking RSI has not been this low on the daily chart literally since April of 2024. It's almost been a year, almost like 10 months. And at that point in time, Tesla was chilling at $140. So the last time that it was this low was literally when Tesla was at $140. Now we're back at 30, but Tesla's at 328. In my opinion, this is an absolute steal. Once again, not financial advice. White Rabbit said, say what now? So Seeking Alpha came out with this article today on February 11th. They said GameStop could pivot to become the first Bitcoin consumer bank. So the summary says, while generally against companies holding Bitcoin, I think there are exceptions such as MicroStrategy and potentially GameStop due to their unique circumstances. GME holds significant cash, $4.6 billion, with minimal long-term debt, but lacks a profitable core business. And the article just goes on and on. The freaking point is, we're seeing articles that GameStop could pivot to become the first Bitcoin consumer bank. And looking at this picture that Ryan Cohen posted, he's only made 2 posts this year, and this was his second post. It looks like Ryan Cohen is leaning towards that Bitcoin space. With the $4.6 billion in cash, I'm sure he's thought about it. I'm sure he's looking into it. I'm sure he's already freaking taken action. And we're just waiting on that announcement. And when that announcement comes out, it's going to be insane. And I'm seeing a bunch of comments saying, oh, the price didn't go up because of what Ryan Cohen posted. All right, you guys tell me in the comments, why did GameStop shoot up 10% yesterday on Monday, February 10th? I want to hear your answers. I generally don't know because I'm just saying what I think. I'm just saying my opinion. And I think that GameStop went up 10% simply because of this picture. If you guys have another thought, let me know in the comments down below. I'm just giving you guys my thoughts. That's why I think GameStop jumped up 10%. Literally because of this freaking picture right here that has 2.2 million views. Today there was another overnight big candle with the change being 69 cents for GameStop. So right when overnight trading hit, GameStop had to jump up to $27.69. Then it came right back down to $26.50. Pretty strange. GameStop has been having these overnight candles now for months. And, it's not going to be long before this overnight candle just freaking goes to the moon and stays there. This guy said AMC, so the legal reference, Securities Act of 1933, Section 5, prohibits the sale of unregistered securities unless an exemption applies. So Wrapped AMC was issued as a tokenized derivative of AMC stock without SEC registration. The total supply of WAMC was, I don't even know what the frick that number is. It's trillion, quadrillion, I don't know. But that number is freaking huge, and it vastly exceeds the actual outstanding shares of AMC, which is 450 million shares. No SEC exemption filing exists for WAMC. If WAMC was sold to US investors without an exemption, it constitutes an unregistered security offering. Why does this matter? So the lack of registration means investors may have purchased a security without proper disclosures, exposing them to increased risk and potential fraud. And what happened with AMC stock is literally complete fraud. I mean, people got screwed. People lost 99% of everything within a couple of months when the reverse split happened. So I believe something is going to get dug up out of the depths of hell. I don't believe it's over for AMC. And I believe something huge is coming to the stock. And I'm going to be here for it. That is for sure. This guy said the reference pattern on the right suggests an AMC bottom is in. It signals continuation, eventually leading to a breakout from the longest accumulation period in AMC's chart history, which has been literally the past half a year. So this pattern is right. AMC should really be looking to go back to that $20, $25 level, which it hasn't seen literally since the reverse split. Like a couple days after the reverse split, dropped from 40 to 20, next day 15, 10, kept going freaking down. Apes getting screwed. It was terrible. But by the looks of this chart, by the looks of the accumulation that has been going on over the past 6 months, ever since AMC had that gap up to $13, I believe we're looking for another gap up in the near future. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you want to stay more up to date in my personal life, I'm going to be traveling a lot. I'm going to be doing some crazy stuff. I'm going to be recording everything and posting it on my main channel. Obviously, I wouldn't be posting it here when you guys really just care about AMC and GME. But if you guys do care about my personal life, and if you guys do actually care about me and what I do besides this, go down to the first link in the description down below. My other channel is called Mikey G. I've been making videos on that channel for over 5 years now, and I'm just starting to post again on that channel. Because, it's been my dream since I was little. It's still my dream now. So I'm continuing where I left off on that channel. And it's about to get freaking crazy. It's about to get real in both GameStop, AMC, and in real life. We're traveling the freaking world. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with GameStop and AMC stock, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buying the dip, here we go, come on.